Have you ever gone to your storage unit and not been able to get in your camper? I swear, I feel like some of the videos, I have a theme going of don't let this happen to you. I'm gonna show you what happened. See the top of the door up above that letter A, how skinny that is? It's about, right where that light is, it's almost touching. And then you go all the way over to that side and it's really far. Well, if you go down and look at my lock, I cannot move this whatsoever. I cannot move it at all. I tried and tried and tried. I even got my trusty pellet little can. Let's see how dented that is inside, because what's happened is this door has settled, it's moved. And so I couldn't put my hand under this because that is just solid steel or iron or what, I don't know. And so I had to put this under there and try to push with all my might to relieve the pressure off of this lock, and it won't budge. So I couldn't go camping. The camper's inside, because that kind of scared me when I saw the lock. And the key goes inside, which is really weird. It goes in just fine. And it's just not moving. See, like the lock, the door is separated. Like that guy next to me is real close and mine's real separated. And see, like I can't even move this. Like there's no play, and I can't push that together to make this, and I have the key in there and it doesn't do anything. So I don't know, I think the lock maybe is stressed or something because it's pulling it, and it goes right in there just fine. So these are sliding doors. So I called the owner several times or left a message. And so I finally just decided to leave. Had the poodles with me. So we left. And of course, as soon as I left, about 20-30 minutes later, he's sending me a text saying he was in Mexico and couldn't help me. It would be a week. So here it is a week later, and I'm waiting on him to come here because he says he's got to get the contractor to shift the door, and it sounds like this has happened before. So here's a question. Should I say anything or ask him for any kind of compensation? Because, I mean, what's the sense of having your trailer or camper in a storage unit and not getting to it? So what do y'all think? I don't know. I don't know how to ask him or say anything about it. Oh, it's kind of a touchy situation, isn't it? I don't know. Let me know what you think. Tell me in the comments what I should say. Look what's right here at the storage unit. Oh, good morning. Hello. I like your teeth. What the hell? Oh, hello. You're big. The contractor and the owner showed up. The contractor said he was going to have to replace the top two wheels as well as the pins, and he had never seen that before. And I also got a new lock. The owner gave me one, and because they bent the lock trying to get that open. And so hopefully they'll get it fixed in the next couple of days. He'll let me know. And I did ask him about any compensation. And first he said no. And I said, well, I can't get to the camper and I couldn't go camping over spring break. And so he said, well, okay, I'll give you a month. So I'm glad I asked him about that. And those two llamas were just two llamas on the back of the property. It was kind of funny.